Welcome, friend. I'm Scott, and this is my YouTube channel, The Quilting Camper. And today we are unboxing the FabFitFun Fall 2025 box. I hope you'll join me. Welcome back, friend. I'm so grateful you decided to join me on this special edition of the Quilting Camper, where I unbox something I don't normally unbox. In this case, it's the FabFitFun Fall 2025 box. This is a quarterly subscription that you can subscribe to. It costs $69 plus tax, shipping's included, or you can do it seasonally for $240. Every box usually ranges between $180 to $350. It's always a good deal. This is a lifestyle box made for women by women, but there's a lot of items in here that I actually use because it includes home decor, skincare, body care, fitness, you name it. There's some really cool things that come in this box. My best friend Michelle at work decided to rejoin an annual subscription like we did during the pandemic, and I said, you know what, let me give it a shot. There's some really cool items in this box, and I said, why not? So here we are, unboxing FabFitFun Fall 2025. Before we get started with this awesome unboxing, remember, give me a thumbs up if you like what you saw today, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. We need to keep sharing the Quilting Camper to let everyone know it is a thing. I went to a quilt show in Madison, which is the Great Wisconsin Quilt Show. It is awesome. I'm gonna be creating a video short for you all to enjoy with that. Had a lot of fun, met some really great friends. My friend Kate from Barn Door Quilts was there. I met my friend Donna from Bernina. I also met up with some other friends that work for other dealers as well. It's a fun show. I hope if you like quilting and sewing that you can make it to that show. It's always the first weekend of September. There are well over 1,000 quilts that are entered every year, and you get to vote which one you like the best. It's a must-see. You have to experience it. It's a great time. And let's get started with the unboxing of the FabFitFun box. Oh boy, I'm sorry. I keep bumping you in the nose. I'm really silly. I worked a whole day today, and it's a Saturday, and it's a lot of work, so I'm just kind of loopy. Remember, you guys, I don't drink, I don't do anything. I just am myself every day in the way that I can be. And let's get started with unboxing this awesome box. I'm so excited to share this with you. Look at how beautiful the interior of the box is. Isn't this cool? They hire their own illustrator for each season to do something special with the box. And I have to say, I love this so much. And of course, we've got this cool flap that says Fresh Picks. I still can't believe I spent only $69 on this box. Actually, I used a promo code and I got it for $59. And if you guys want to also get your first seasonal box for $59, just use my code below in the description. I'm not a sponsor, not affiliate. I actually haven't received a FabFitFun box for quite some time. I just do it for enjoyment. And of course, I love to share what I love. Get the packing out of here. A couple services that they offer. Of course, what would a box be without a HelloFresh subscription deal? You sort of just kind of put everything in there, and there it is. Yay! All right. I'm not going to go into which item is from which customization category. I do believe this box had 7 customization categories where you could choose an item from each category. Some of the options, if you want to do extra, would cost a couple dollars more. I just went for a basic straight across board with each customization. I did add on 3 items too, which you can add on whenever you customize your box. They have an add-on sale where things are super cheap. The first item in this box is Glow Recipe Plump Hyaluronic Cream 50 ml. Retails for $40. Hydrate, plump, and balance skin with our whipped gel cream moisturizer that fills each skin layer with long-lasting plumping hydration for a dewy glow. Skin balancing, quick absorbing, non-greasy. Meet your new favorite moisturizer in the first of its kind refillable jar. Powerhouse ingredients like polyglutamic acid, multi-weight hyaluronic acid, plum, and ice willow herb provide deep, long-lasting hydration while balancing excess oil to deliver plump, glowing skin. I love Glow Recipe. They have an incredible serum that I have gotten in the previous boxes. They actually have a tinted serum now that kind of gives you a little bit of color. These are really great products. Packaging is so beautiful. It actually looks like a plum. It's got a little crease where the plum is. And they smell really good. They're just a really nice product. And when I found out this was one of the customizations, I had to get it. It's just a really nice Hyaluronic Hydration Cream. Some of you know I'm a licensed esthetician, and even though I'm not going to talk about ingredient benefits, I will say that hyaluronic acid is really good for hydration. So if you're looking for a really nice hydrating moisture cream, this is a go-to. I do believe Sephora does carry this, so if it's something you want to check out, you can find it there, get a feel for it, that sort of thing. The box cost me $59 with the deal. This is a $40 moisturizer. We've almost paid for the box. The next item in this box is an awesome exfoliant by Murad. Murad AHA BHA Exfoliating Cleanser. Retails for $46. The benefits of exfoliation in the convenience of a cleanser. Creamy exfoliating cleanser helps reveal smoother skin. Chemical exfoliants plus physical exfoliants from biodegradable jojoba beads help open hydration pathways. Optimize the skin's ability to attract and hold moisture. I have never tried this. I do like a good exfoliating cleanser, and because Murad has such a great reputation, I'm curious about how well it is. AHA, BHA are kind of like very gentle acids. They're not like glycolic acid, but they're fruit acids, and they help gently exfoliate the skin. Oh, and this was an item that I said I have to get the box because I love it so much. And that's a Pantone notebook. Now, I don't need another notebook. I love Pantone. You guys know I go to that houseware show every year. This is the company that sets color trends, and I love this burgundy color. It's so cool. Pantone notebook retails for $18.99. This Pantone notebook is your new creative sidekick with smooth line pages perfect for jotting down thoughts, notes, or sketches. It comes with a handy ribbon bookmark, an expandable pocket to stash all your extras, all wrapped up in sturdy, soft-touch cover made from sustainable materials. Let's open this up. It's a nice journal that has a little elastic band pocket back here. Oh, very nice. Look at that little pocket. Whew. So you put like receipts or business cards or special notes, maybe some pressed flowers. I don't know. Something cool. And it is also just a nice lined book. Pantone does make some great branded products like mugs and pens and paper pads, but I like this. And even though it's not an incredible value, because it was offered in a box, I made it as a part of one of my customizations. It's a lifestyle box, and with lifestyle, you can have all sorts of fun. The next item in this box is a popular product in the hair care world, and that is Olaplex. Number 5, Bond Maintenance Conditioner, $30. This conditioner produces softer, shinier, and visible, healthier hair with each use, reducing damage, split ends, frizz, and flyaways. Enjoyed optimum conditioning and dramatically improved manageability. This customization I chose this from did not have a lot of options I could take advantage of, or even gift for that matter, but I do like Olaplex products. I'm a professional esthetician. I go to a place called Cosmoprof. I can buy Olaplex products at a discounted rate, but still, to get it as a part of the box and something I might use or gift to somebody is a good value. The next item in this box really piqued my interest. I use magnesium for a lot of different reasons, especially for sleep. This was a magnesium oil spray, and it's made by the New Company, and it's $38. The soothing spray is designed to calm your body and mind after exercise or before bedtime. With magnesium to balance stress hormones and lavender to promote relaxation, it helps you fall into a deeper, more restful sleep. It's your new go-to for unwinding naturally. $38, not terrible. Now, I use a magnesium reset spray by the brand Alo, A-L-O. It's a yoga gear brand, and I really like it, but it's pricey. It's $48 each time. FabFitFun used to offer it as an add-on, and they don't anymore. Please, FabFitFun, bring the Aloe Magnesium Reset Spray back. However, I'm willing to try this. It could be as good, maybe not as good, I don't know. But because I got to choose it as an addition to my box, I'm happy I get to try it. If you get some joint problems during a stressful exercise, you can keep this in your gym bag and spray it where you need it. It's pretty awesome. The next item in this box is because this customization, once again, didn't have a whole lot for me to choose from. And because I don't know my friends enough to know what kind of makeup palettes or colors they would wear, I never know what to do when they have makeup in those categories. I always go for skincare. And this is a great product. I see it at Sephora all the time. This is First Aid Beauty Retinol Cream for $44. This multitasking eye cream targets fine lines and wrinkles while nourishing delicate under-eye skin. Powered by squalene and ceramides, it supports the skin's moisture barrier and suits all skin types. The microcapsulated retinol technology provides a slow-release delivery system to minimize irritation. Gently and effective care your eyes will love. Had this in one of my previous boxes in a moisturizer, not as an eye cream. And I'm always looking for a really lightweight retinol eye cream that's non-irritating, and I've read a lot of good things about this, so I'm gonna give it a shot. Now the last item in this box is home decor. They had quite a few items in home decor. I almost bought 2 others. There was like a trivet set, but I don't need any trivets. I barely use my pots and pans on my stoves to have a trivet. But I can always use a centerpiece for candles, and so I got a candle holder. Kind of cool. It's very Scandinavian looking. Something tells me I should have gotten a set. That's much nicer than I thought it was. And for some reason I thought it was ceramic, but it's metal. You can put 2 candles in there, but I think a set would have looked nicer, but maybe it'll be in the add-on sale. They usually have like a mid-season add-on sale that you can buy products from the previous box. Malin+Goetz Helen White candle holder, $69. No, I'm sorry. You could probably find something like this at a home decor store or Anthropologie for half that price. Handcrafted in India from stainless steel and coated with a creamy powder finish, this wavy candle holder adds a modern sculptural touch to your home. Designed to hold 2 taper candles, it brings a soft ambient glow to a dinner parties or styled shelves. It's minimalist statement piece with just the right amount of edge. $69, FabFitFun, that is an exaggerated price, I'm sorry. But I do like it. It's very sturdy. I mean, you can't bend it. I was really afraid it would be flimsy. It's not at all. Kind of wish they had it in a different color. It'll look nice with my fall table. I always do like a fall table set, so we'll give it a shot. So those were the items I chose for customization, but I also chose a few items from the add-on sale, things I use. This has got to be my most favorite shower gel in the whole world. And of course, FabFitFun is the one that introduced it to me. I even have it as a body lotion from a little dry hands, arms. I have this right by the couch so I can easily apply it at nighttime. Moisturizing in the wintertime is a really good thing to have on hand. Malin+Goetz Rum Hand Body Wash. This smells amazing. I don't know how to describe it. It doesn't really smell like rum. A woodsy, spicy caramel. It just smells heavenly and I love it. So our best-selling hand plus body cleansing gel lathers into a rich foam to effectively wash away dirt, sweat, and debris, thoroughly purifies and refreshes without over-drying the skin for all genders and skin types. And this was, I believe, $12. In the store, this retails for $36. I know I have paid full price for it at Nordstrom and have regretted it. But you know what? I love it so much that I have to have it. This is a subscription, so every time they have a box, I will always receive this for that price. Good deal. Oh, I love this stuff so much. Another add-on that I chose, and I believe it was like only $10. I mean, it was super cheap, is this Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. Get a shot of green goodness with this facial mask that nourishes and hydrates skin for brighter, softer, smoother appearance. $42 retail. Very excited to try it. I love face masks. Anything that Elemis makes is awesome, okay? They are a great company. They're based in the UK. It's a company founded by women. Really good skincare. As a matter of fact, they had this collagen cream that came in this box. One of the reasons why my friend Michelle resubscribed. That collagen cream's $125 and we got it as a customization. Well, I didn't, because by the time I filled out my customization, it was no longer available. I still know it's a great value, and as an add-on, you can get it usually for $24. It's still a good deal. I don't need any more moisturizer. I have plenty. And then the last item, I always have some fun with items I'm not familiar with. And in my bathrooms, I always like to have a nice bar of soap. I usually go to TJ Maxx and pick up one of those really nice, hefty, made in Portugal, really high quality milled soaps that have a really nice, classy scent to them. They had a bar soap in the add-on sale. Spiced orange goat milk soap. Lather up and indulge in the coziness of the holiday season with uplifting scent of fresh orange, warm nutmeg, and a dash of cinnamon and spice. The signature goat milk formula deeply cleanses without stripping the skin. I want to say this retails for like $12 and I got it for $5. Smells classy. I really like it. Now that I've emptied out the box, let's look at the interior. Look at all the apples in here. Isn't this a gorgeous box? It's plain on the outside, but it has this gorgeous decor on the inside. Just beautiful. I love it. Do you think this box is worth $69? Of course, if you've never subscribed to one, you can get one for $59 with the discount code that I have in the description below. But this box came into Retail Zone at about $285 worth of product that I paid $59 for. Now that doesn't include the 3 add-ons, but the add-ons I think were $22 total, so that still wasn't that much to make a difference. Seriously, this is one of the best values for home decor, personal care, makeup, skincare, as well as fitness, and some lifestyle products too, like that notebook. Thanks again, friend, for watching. I really appreciate you sharing this time with me. FabFitFun is kind of a special lifestyle box that I don't usually subscribe to, but I definitely want to share it with you. It's one of those things that I cannot have you experience to understand the tremendous value that you get when you buy one of these seasonal boxes. And the fact that we got 7 customizations this season, and out of each customization, there had to be about 10 choices each. There's something in each customization for everyone, and that's what makes this so much fun. And yes, I will be getting the Sew Sampler for September, hopefully in another week, and I will be filming that for you to all enjoy. Remember, what we do here is share kindness. We share things that we love with each other. That's how we can make a difference. I know that sounds like a very simple statement, but in recent days and weeks, we've all experienced some horrific events. It's really hard to feel the need to share kindness when you feel so much hurt. But I will be honest, the light of life will always get us out of the darkness if we make an effort to show appreciation, have some compassion, and just be there for one another. I am so sorry, deeply sorry, by some of this inhumane activity that has been happening here in the United States. I just want you to know that I pray for your families and for your friends, that we all recover from this, even though a loss of life is lost. The best we can do is to be here for each other. Sharing kindness, you guys, is the key. It's the key to life, and it's the key to being content. I don't want to say happiness, because happiness is a feeling of a moment. Content means that you feel loved and you feel like you can exist in life, knowing that you have the support, your friends, your faith, and everything is in balance. Once again, sharing kindness is the key. Thanks so much for joining me here on the Quilting Camper for this special edition unboxing of FabFitFun. Remember, if you like what you saw today, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and check out what's going on in my life on my blog, thequiltingcamper.com. Thanks, friend, for joining me here today. It means the world to me. And take care, and let's take care of each other. I love you. Bye for now. Once again, thank you for watching. Check out some of my other YouTube videos on my channel, The Quilting Camper. See you really soon.